Naming rules are case sensitive and cannot start with a number. They can contain letter, number, and underscore, bob. These are the some reserved word that you can't use, like and, break, class, continue, def, delete, else if, else, except. So these are some reserved word which you can't use as a variable. Naming convention. The Python community has these recommended naming convention: join underscore lower for functions, method, and attribute; join underscore lower or all underscore caps for constant; strictly caps for classes; camel case only to conform to pre-existing convention; attribute, interface, internal. Assignment: you can assign to multiple names at the same time. X, y equal to 2 comma 3. This makes it easy to swap the values. Assignment can be changed or chained also, like a equal to b equal to x equal to 2. Sequence types and tuples, list and strings. Sequence tuples. Within the tuple, a simple immutable order sequence of items can be mixed type, including collection type. Strings, John Smith, immutable. Conceptually very much like a tuple, and list is a mutable order sequence of items of mixed type. Similar syntaxes. All three sequence type, tuple, string, and list, share much of the same syntax and functionality. Key differences: tuples and strings are immutable, whereas list is the mutable. The operation shown in the section can be applied to all sequence type. Most example will just show the operation performed on one. Sequence type: we are here defining tuple as tu equal to bracket 23 comma abc 4.56. Similar way, we are defining a list where li equal to bracket abc 34 4.3 23. Similarly, defining a strings, you can do it by putting it under quotes. A string that use triple quotes are something like string st triple quotes. This is a multi-line string, and you can define your multi-strings in triple quotes. Sequence type 2. Accessing individual member of tuple or list or string uses square bracket array notation. Note that all are based on from 0. So tu equal to 23. If you want to get the value of abc, it will be tu bracket 1. Similarly, in list, if you want to get 34, you will do li bracket 1. Okay, and within a string, if equal to hello world, if is string 1, it will print the letter e of hello world. So h is 0, e is 1. Positive and negative indices. So t equal to 23 abc. Positive indices count from left starting with 0, and negative indices count from right starting from -1. So here if I put t minus 3, you can see it will be 4.56. So def is -1, 2 comma 3 in bracket is -2, and -3 is 4.56. Slicing and returning a copy of a subset. T equal to 23 abc 4.56 2 comma 3 def. Return a copy of the container with the subset of original members. Start copying at the first index and stop copying before second. So t 1 comma 4. So basically what it will give, 0 is 23, so it will start from 1, which is abc, and it will go till 2 comma 3. Similarly, negative indices count from end 1 comma -1, so it will give basically leave def and 23, and it will print rest all the fields in this. Slicing return copy of a equal to subset. T equal to same, so t colon 2. So what it will print is 0 and 1, which is 23 and abc. Omit second index to make copy starting from first index and going to end. So what it will basically print is it will start from second. So 0 is 23, 1 is abc, 2 is 4.56. So it will start from 4.56, 2 comma 3, and def. Copying a whole sequence. So basically here was how we can make a copy of the entire sequence. Note that the difference between these two lines are for mutable sequences. L2 equal to L1. Both refer to one reference, changing one effect both. L2 equal to L1. Independent copies, two references. The in operator. So in this, if you have you can do a boolean test and see t equal to 1 2 4 5 3 in t, which is false. There is a no 3 in 4 in t, which is true. So that's how you can do. Similarly, you can do a string test of for substring a equal to abcd. C in a, that is true. CD, that is also true. AC, no, it's ABC, so that's false. The plus operator. The plus operator produces a new tuple list or the string whose value is the concatenation of. So here we are trying to concatenate 1 2 3 plus 4 5 6. So it will give you 1 2 3 4 5 6. Similarly, hello plus space plus world. So it will give you hello world. The multiplication operator produce a new tuple and list all the strings that repeat the original content. So 1 2 3 into 3, it will give you 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 3 times. Similarly, hello into 3, it will give you 3 times of hello 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 hello. Mutability tuple versus listing. So li equal to abc 23 4.3. So here I want to here I put a value li1 equal to 45, so which basically will replace 23. So you can see now the output is abc 45 4.34 and 23. This can change a list in place. The name li still points to the same memory reference where we are done. Tuples are immutable. So here t equal to t2 equal to we are trying to set t2 equal to 3.14, and then it's giving us a date. You can't change a tuple. Operation on list only. Li equal we have a li example for 1 11 3 4 5, and we are trying to append li append a. So when we are trying to print li again, we will see 1 11 3 4 5 a at the end. Li similarly we are trying to insert in li insert 2 comma I. So you can see 1 11 I 3 4 5 and a. That's how it will append. Operation for listing. Another example is index. We can see the index of each field. The list have many methods including index, count, remove, reverse, sorting. So when I'm trying to do an index on B, it will give me the what's the position of the field. So B is 1. Li count B, it will show me what's the occurrence, number of occurrence. So it will show me this B is came 2 times. Similarly, if I try to remove B, li dot remove B, it will remove the first occurrence of li B. So it will give you just ACB. Operation on list only. Li 5268. We are trying to reverse. It will give you 8625. We are trying to sort it. It will sort it to 2568. That's how there are multiple operations that you can perform on list. Summary. In the summary, we will see list slower or list is slower but more powerful than tuples. Lists can be modified. They have lot of handy operation and methods. Lists are immutable and have fewer features. To convert between tuple and list, use list and tuple function as mentioned below. Like li equal to list in brackets tuple, it will convert your list into tuple. Similarly, tu equal to tuple bracket li, it will convert your tuple into a list. So these are the basic methodologies or functions that you can do. These are the basic Python that you can start with. Going forward, we will cover more details for Python, more hands-on exercise. For now, I will close this video. If you have any questions, you can ping me on my email address, or you can put your comment. Thank you.